Thank you. Yeah, they said cones are really good, and they're good here too. We haven't had them in a long time.
Oh, is this a burger?
What? No, I got you that one.
Oh, I got it a burger.
You have your fries in there back.
It's good. Have a good one. What is this?
Okay. The bag, I think. Cool.
Like anything outside color the bag.
Here you go. That's yours. That's here, I'll put the bag so you can color it. Yeah, they gave her crayons in the bag. There you go. And now you can color it. Fun.
And it was quiet.
You guys.
Take mine, baby.
Thank you for sharing. Is it fun? Is it all fun? Let me help you? Okay. Here you go. You're fine. Here you go, baby.
Why this got two?
You touch the other one. Ooh, extra fries.
Over the screen. I don't think I can color this. No, Mom.
You guys, how many people are on? Yeah, you guys, we've been trying to find housing for 9 months, and it's like we can't find anywhere. It's crazy. Huh?
Give me back. I have like a feeling like.
And you go, oh, from is it from the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from the Coca-Cola. You eat. No, look. Awesome? You want some of mommy's? It's icy. You want some? Yeah, okay.
Doesn't have like a smoke. Mine does.
That was good.
I don't think that.
Careful, Angela. Yes, it is. Hazel.
I'm gonna play.
You can play. Here you go. Here you go. fries, baby. Eat your fries. Hazel. Dip.
Oh, wait, I'm trying to color. What is the teeth supposed to be? Yellow?
He wants to color.
I want to color.
Hey, stop yelling. Here. Girl, he's gonna be 2 in August.